Now we're back to the dead timing the Magneto to the F20 McCormick Deering tractor. And on any of these two, after we got the Magneto timed and we put this shim in here and the two bolts back in, checked the mag earlier out, it's pretty good. Now that you have it dead timed to the engine, you can take and turn the crank and listen, wait for the impulse on the Magneto and turn her over. See, it's firing after top dead center. Here comes number 2. It's a little bit late for me, but I think it'll work for now to get it running again. Here's number 4. You can see as you turn it over, right there's top, a little bit past. So that should work. And that's how you can make sure you're timed to where it's not going to kick on you. And that's pretty much it on the Magneto timing.